Very lazy, indolent. Stop being indolent and do some work. Stop being indolent and do some work. Very fat, obese. Obese people tend to have a high risk of high blood pressure. Obese people tend to have a high risk of high blood pressure. Very afraid, terrified. He is terrified of insects. He is terrified of insects. Very accurate, exact. She said the exact words. She said the exact words. Very often, frequently. They visit us frequently. They visit us frequently. Very smelly, pungent. This beverage has a pungent smell. This beverage has a pungent smell. Very smooth, sleek. She has a soft and sleek skin. She has a soft and sleek skin. Very willing, eager. She is eager to take part in debate competition. She is eager to take part in debate competition. Very long-term, enduring. Wow, this is an enduring idea. Wow, this is an enduring idea. Very nervous, apprehensive. Jenny felt anxious and apprehensive about her new job. Jenny felt anxious and apprehensive about her new job. Very strong, unyielding. My mother stood unyielding all these years. My mother stood unyielding all these years. Very tasty, delicious. My mother cooks delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. Very tired, exhausted. The busy day at school has exhausted her. The busy day at school has exhausted her. Very valuable, precious. This pendant is precious to me. This pendant is precious to me. Very neat, immaculate. Her white, sparkling dress was perfectly immaculate. Her white, sparkling dress was perfectly immaculate. Very risky, perilous. This journey is perilous. Let's finish it quickly. This journey is perilous. Let's finish it quickly. Very afraid, fearful. He is fearful of horror movies. He is fearful of horror movies. Very creative, innovative. Sophia is an innovative girl. Sophia is an innovative girl. Very evil, wicked. He was successful in defeating her wicked plans. He was successful in defeating her wicked plans. Very good, excellent. She is an excellent writer. She is an excellent writer. Very light, luminous. The green luminous earrings give her a sparkling look. The green luminous earrings give her a sparkling look. Very nice, kind. My grandpa is always kind to me. My grandpa is always kind to me. Very rich, wealthy. Being a wealthy person, he always makes sure to give enough charity to help others. Being a wealthy person, he always makes sure to give enough charity to help others. Very roomy, spacious. Emma has a spacious craft room. Emma has a spacious craft room. Very smart, intelligent. She likes intelligent people. She likes intelligent people. Very necessary, essential. Chicken is an essential ingredient for making chicken drums. Chicken is an essential ingredient for making chicken drums. Very noisy, deafening. The music band is making deafening sound. The music band is making deafening sound. Very dry, parched. She drank cool fruit juice to chill her parched throat. She drank cool fruit juice to chill her parched throat. Very cold, freezing. Driving in Scotland is difficult due to strong winds and freezing temperatures. Driving in Scotland is difficult due to strong winds and freezing temperatures. Very clever, brilliant. Cynthia thinks she is brilliant at mimicking people. Cynthia thinks she is brilliant at mimicking people. Very stupid, idiotic. Why don't you get rid of your idiotic ideas? Why don't you get rid of your idiotic ideas? Very thin, gaunt. A tall, gaunt woman in black was often seen standing under the street lamp at night. Very ugly, hideous. He always looks terrified as if he has experienced something hideous in his past.